Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install Knights of Honor SD Edition for Windows 10, screen resolution 920 by 1080. Let's start. First, open the folder. Read the manual or instruction. Step 1. Press exit. Now we are not done yet. Step 2. Install KOH patch. So here it is. Accept the agreement. Click next. Browse. You can see the browse. Cancel. You can copy this one for the browser or browse. Sorry. Click OK and then next. English. Okay, click next. Next. Install. Click next. Install. Click quit. Now wait for it. Click finish. Close this one. Now we are done. Close it. Now let's open the game. As you can see, my screen is so big and I don't know what's happened to the screen. So if you want to fix the screen problem like this, you can see the instruction how to fix the screen resolution on my previous videos. You can see the link below on the description.